friends!
I'm Tytus and this is LiWen from DanceInsanity, and today it is all about the hip action.
2, 3, 4, hold 5, 6.
Stepping back, 1, 2.
So, if you've never done hip action before, this is the tutorial for you.
Brand new hips.
Hip action to line dancing is super important because when you have really great hip action, it automatically makes you look really rhythmic. All of a sudden, your whole body is taking, not just your feet. And when people are looking at you dancing, they're gonna go, wow, that person is moving every single part of your body.
Everything.
Everything, like an animal. You know, and being animalistic in line dancing is a really, really desirable thing.
It's also very scary if you can't do it and you're like, I can never do this. So that's why we're gonna start you off with some hip action that's really easy. You can get that hip action down and slowly apply it, and pretty soon you'll be this unstoppable animal on the floor. We're gonna break it down real simple for you so you can follow along and get your hips moving.
Okay, so let's get started, shall we?
Let's do this. So when you're learning hips, you're gonna bend one knee. Go ahead and bend a knee. Now, the opposite hip will come out, and that's the key to really getting your stuff moving, okay? One knee is bent, opposite hip is out. All right, so in this case, you can just copy LiWen. Right knee is bent, let your left hip come out. Now, you're gonna switch your knees. So you're gonna bend that left knee, and then your right hip will come out. So you're always working in opposition.
Tytus is gonna demo for us, and just bring your feet relatively close together and start to bend into one knee. Doesn't matter which one. Yeah. And then bend the other. And just alternate bending and straightening of your knees and let your pelvis be loose. Do you feel a rotation? Your hips, your pelvis moving, swaying from side to side? Voila! That is hip action. How simple is that? But that can't be that simple, really? Well, to get really great hip action, I'm gonna do that again, is you wanna accentuate the movement of the hips, rotating from one side to the other. So as he switches, wait, the side with the straight leg is gonna have that hip a little higher, and the side with the bent knee is gonna have the hip a little lower. Then he's gonna switch again. Yeah, and you can see one side is higher than the other, and switch, and switch. Then really stretch your knees in opposite directions. So the one that's bent, try and push your knee forward, whereas the one that is straight, try and pull that knee back. So create as much space as you can between your knees. So turn Tytus to the side so they can see that. See that big triangle in between his legs? That's what you want to get. As big a space as you can, keep going, to create that hip action from side to side. And of course, really importantly, is keep your core really strong. Yeah, and so once you keep your core strong, you will feel that as your hip rotates, your obliques, your side abs are actually also going to rotate because you're tight, and so they will follow the movement of your hips as you're bending from one knee to the other knee. So I've emphasized a lot about the movement of your knees to get really good hip action. And that is what this tutorial is all about, is to keep the ticking of your knees, right Tytus?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. And get your hips moving from the bottom up.
What we're gonna do now is a great little exercise. And you're gonna go ahead and step your feet into a few different positions so you can get comfortable moving your hips other than just this one position. So, your right leg can go forward, a little bit bent. Now, as you straighten that right leg, your left knee will bend, and those knees will come together, your right hip comes out. Then you just switch your knees, left hip goes back. And then switch the knees again, right leg is straight, left leg is bent, right hip is out, switch, left hip is out. So you're just working your knees and your hips in opposition. We're gonna step back as well, so that right leg can go back with the front leg bent, in this case. Then as you switch your weights, your back knee will bend and close those knees up. Left hip is out, and you switch again. Bend that left knee, right leg is straight, right hip is out. And we close the knees, switch the weight, forward left, left hip is out. So you just keep on switching your knees and let your hips work from side to side, rotating back and forward. So we're gonna do a little exercise for you that you can do right along with us. You're just gonna copy it, and if it feels like it's moving too quickly, you can always slow it down with the little gizmo and the YouTube settings down there, and watch it slower, and then you can copy it. And just sort of get used to it. If it's a little too fast or you don't get it, just keep doing it. It'll get into your system. And pretty soon, as you get those hips easier, it'll be a piece of cake to start adding that hip action into any step you're gonna do in your cha-cha, your samba, or your rumba.
5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, back, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, 5, 6, 7, forward, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, back, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, together, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, 5, 6, 7, other side.
And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go forward. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stepping back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's close. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 5, 6. Going forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close the foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And going back. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's close. 1, 2, 3, 4. And hold. 6, 7, 8. And there's your hip action for you.
Of course, there are a ton of other hip actions.
And that is why we have 6 tips for sexy hips to make you really explode with what you can do with your hip actions.
Where can you get that?
DanceInsanity.com. There's a link in the description below.
And if you're like, I want more hips, then we also have a great, really sexy course for you called Sexy Hips, the Ultimate Action Pack. We're gonna leave you the link in the description below so you can check it out.
Ultimate hips. You will save yourself a lot of frustration, sometimes with just 1 or 2 sentences of information that you need by making a comment. So make a comment and we'll answer your question, and you might get something that's going to make your dancing really transform a lot faster if you hadn't. So don't be shy with that phone. Make a comment what you need. We can help you. I'm Tytus.
I'm LiWen.
From Dance Insanity. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.